Welcome to another edition of Magic in My Pajamas. My name is Glenn West, and this is Magic in My Pajamas. Tonight we're going to explore the late night legerdemain, the parlor prestige, magical curiosities. For example, something you can do with some ice, an ice cube. In fact, oh, you know what? This looked great, but a whiskey cube's a little too big. Okay, just give me a second. There we go. That's better. We can try this again. Now, if we take an ice cube or two here, there we go, and we hold them, and we push them just like so. Actually, get them to fuse together into one solid block of ice. This is a bizarre idea I came up with one night, and it involves taking an ice cube and another ice cube and just kind of smashing them together like that. And it involves a little weird little prep that you make this ice cube, and then well, I'll show you guys how to do that now. So the prep for this is actually pretty straightforward. All you need to do is when you're near the end of your ice cube tray, or even if, for example, you're at work at the office, or maybe you've got access to a refrigerator wherever you are, or a fridge, and you maybe are the only person who happens to fill the ice cube tray, just take a moment and do this. So grab your ice, and before you fill it up, you want to make sure you take out an ice cube tray. This is, oh, it's broken. There we go. This is obviously when you're near the end and you're about to refill the ice cube tray. You're going to set aside one ice cube tray and then fill up the tray. It's a little bit easier to do with two hands. It's a little professional tip there. Okay. Even it out a bit. And then you're going to take your spare ice cube and just stick it in one of the trays, one of the cubes. There we go. And then put that back in the freezer. Let it freeze. Let that freeze, and when it's ready, you'll have a quaint little ice cube gaff, I guess. I'm not sure what else to call it. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes when that's ready. Because I don't really know how long ice usually takes. I usually just come back in like an hour or so. But anyhow, we'll see. All right, let's have a look, see how it is. There it. Did somebody use my ice cube? God damn it. All right. Looks like we gotta try again. All right, this is take 2 with the ice cube, and there we have it. All right. Try this. Let's just, oh, popped right out this time. All right, there we have it. Your, I guess, gaffed ice cube. That looks like 2 ice cubes smashed together. So now in performance, you would just kind of hold it like this, covering the bottom one, and from the front, it looks like just a single ice cube. All right, let's grab a drink and get into it. So you take your little gaffed ice cube and you basically just palm it. Or you can actually just throw it in your drink. And then you just reach in and take out an ice cube or two. Or you can just take them straight out of the ice cube tray if you want to be a little bit less gross than sticking your fingers in your drink. And then you hold it like this, covering the extended bottom merged ice cube. And then you simply tap them together and you knock the one in the bottom hand into your palm and leave that there and then reveal. So again, it's just 1, 2, 3, and then you reveal this bizarrely misshapen. Now this one's starting to melt because I've been using it this whole time, but obviously the idea is that you would take it out of the tray and do it as quickly as possible before it starts melting in your hands. And then obviously the cleanup is as simple as either tossing the ice cubes together, the palmed one and the gaffed ones, back into your drink if you want to be a little gross, or just toss it in a sink. This is weird. Really cold. Jeez, like, what am I thinking? It's late and it's cold. It's October. Oy, man. Anyhow. Cheers.